Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. As we drive along Brick Church Pike in North Nashville, we are traveling through an area shaped by many years of local history. The road gets its name from an early brick church that served settlers in the early 19th century, when churches were often the center of community life. At that time, this area was mostly farmland with rolling hills, small homes, and simple country roads, connecting families to nearby towns like Whites Creek and Goodlettsville. Farmers grew crops such as corn and tobacco and raised livestock that helped supply the growing city of Nashville. By the middle of the 19th century, better roads and nearby rail lines made it easier to move goods and people through the region. During the American Civil War, Nashville became an important military location, and Union forces occupied the city beginning in 1862. Roads like this one were used for travel and supply routes during that time. After the war, the area slowly rebuilt and remained mostly rural for many decades. Major changes came after the Second World War, when new housing and businesses expanded outward from Nashville. Farms were gradually replaced by neighborhoods, schools, and shopping areas. In the late 1970s, nearby industrial land was redeveloped into Metro Center, showing how the area was changing from industry to modern offices and services. Today, Brick Church Pike shows a mix of old and new, where long-standing communities sit alongside newer development as Nashville continues to grow. Nashville itself was founded in 1779 along the banks of the Cumberland River. Named after Revolutionary War General Francis Nash, the settlement quickly grew because of its strategic river location and fertile surrounding land. By the early 1800s, Nashville had become an important center for commerce, education, and government in the region. In the 20th century, Nashville gained worldwide recognition as the center of country music, especially after the launch of the Grand Ole Opry in 1925. Radio broadcasts carried Nashville's music across the nation, helping shape American popular culture. Over the decades, the city expanded beyond music into healthcare, education, technology, and tourism, becoming one of the fastest-growing metropolitan areas in the United States. Today, Nashville is known for its vibrant downtown, historic neighborhoods, and creative energy. Thanks for watching!